I know you're looking at me right now, and I know what you're thinking. Why does she look like she's dead? The lips are crusty, the hair is musty, and my skin is the driest it's ever been. I swear my skin is like peeling off. Thank you to OGX for sponsoring a portion of today's video, by the way. I did a little shopping haul today because I looked at myself. I've been looking at myself in the mirror for the past 2 months, and I've just been like, you know, like maybe like in the summer when you have like a glow on you and like you're tan and like, you know, in the summer you just feel good. And then like, I feel like in the winter, I look at myself in the mirror and I'm like, we have a lot of work to do, y'all. This is gonna be so embarrassing. Why do I look like some dude that's like in a rocker band? You guys are gonna think I'm disgusting and I know it, but I don't think that I've washed my hair in like 14 days. My hair is looking so dead, so I'm gonna use this hair mask. This is the Damage Remedy Coconut Miracle Oil Hair Mask. Out of the shower, that smells so nostalgic. It smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna be using this coconut milk nourishing. Actually, I went to my sister's house today and she literally had this. And then I went into my guy friend's college dorm and I looked in his bathroom and he had OGX too. And I was like, oh my god, wait. It's like everyone be using OGX. This is made from coconut milk, coconut oil, and whipped egg white proteins. Bro, tell me why. I have to show you guys this. I was using this in the shower. I want to show you guys. But look at this. Is this normal? Like, do you see how that like keeps its form? Like, I feel so bad wasting this, but I just have to show you how like thick this is. Oh, my hair just feels so much smoother. Like I can actually run my hands through it now. The reason why I love OGX is because they have a formula for like each hair type. So if you have like curly, coily, straight, wavy hair, and then you can like mix and match them because they have like all different types. You guys know what I'm talking about? Like the different colors of them and like make it like a little cocktail. You know what I mean? I was like, why did this smooth my hair so much? And then I just like stared at it and read it. This coconut milk one is meant to smooth your hair. If you want to check this out and see what OGX has for your hair type, you guys can click the link down in my description box below. Thank you to OGX for sponsoring a portion of today's video. So this was supposed to be a get ready with me video. Like I was gonna get ready, but I realized that I don't want to get ready right now. And like sometimes you just need like a self-care night where it's like not, actually I think this is usually what people do for self-care. I don't know. I just don't really be doing self-care too often, even though it probably seems like I do because of the videos I post. But genuinely, every time I post a self-care video, that's when I do self-care, because like whenever I do it, I'm like, oh, I have to film this. I know I seem like a self-care girly, but it happens less often than you think. Not meaning that like I stink or anything. It's like I just, you would think that I do these extravagant things. I'm calling lotioning myself extravagant. But like, you know, a face mask, shaving your legs, all that stuff. I cannot remember the last time I shaved my legs. The other day though, I say the other day, like literally 3 weeks ago, I got my hair done and like I just got it. Let me just insert the clips. Alright, the hair is in a bun because it literally gets knotted every 3 seconds, but I haven't got my hair done in like 6 months, but the last time I did it, I loved it. So today we're gonna do the same thing, but just like a refresh. This is the before. So my hair is naturally black, but we colored it to be brown, but we didn't use bleach or anything, but I really like how light my hair got because I feel like black just looks too intense on me. But you can see my natural hair color to like what we dyed down here. And then these 2 front pieces are pretty grown out. All right, we've been in this for probably like 15 minutes, 10 minutes to wash it out. The foils are coming out. Going on toner. Oh my gosh. Wait, so what did you do on my hair? I know people are gonna be like, wait, what do I tell my stylist?
We did teasy lights and baby lights, and we just used color, a high lift brown.
Which is so crazy because like this whole time, I remember I used to try to get brown, but we would bleach my whole head and it ruined my hair, but this looks so good.
It's pretty on you.
I love it.
Yay.
This is definitely my new go-to. Ooh, it's so soft. Are you guys seeing this? Ooh. Anyway, so that's how my hair looks now. But I've only washed my hair like once since doing that, so I haven't really seen what it looks like. So we're gonna dry my hair today. But I also got my coochie wax, so insert footage here. It is waxing time. Yes. I don't know how many times you guys have seen me wax down there on camera or shave down there, but at this point, I think it's a ritual. Here we go again. I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
I don't know.
Quick, don't worry. What are you doing for New Year's, my dear?
I don't know yet.
Alright.
Ow. Yo, I'm dying right now. I don't know why I even choose to do this. I literally came in here to do it for a video once and I've just been coming back ever since. It wasn't meant to be like this.
The hard back is so she can relax.
I don't know how I'm supposed to relax.
The legs are going up, y'all.
That was a while ago though. And I'm like, okay, let's do some more. But I'm in Canada, so my skin is so dry and I'm like, ooh, let's do a peel, which I don't know if that's like the method, but I feel like I need to exfoliate my skin, and I heard that chemical exfoliants work better than actual like physical ones. And also they were out of my favorite Dermalogica exfoliant. So I got this. So let's hope that my skin doesn't get messed up. Ew, this smells not great. It's not like I can't handle it, but I know it's doing something, because nothing's gonna smell this bad and not work. You know what I mean? Like I know it's some sort of chemical or something. Oh, apple cider vinegar acid. Acid. Nice. I did not just do that face. I'm gonna do my nails. I went in and I got my nails professionally done, and they lasted like a week and a half. And I know that I can never really keep them and I bite them off, but I tried them again for the first time in 6 months because I was like, ooh, maybe I'd be better, but no. Surprisingly, there's no dirt under the nails. Okay, I'm just gonna go for these. I kind of like when it looks natural. I never really get my nails done because I always pick them off, but it is a special day today. If you guys don't know, my mom owns a nail salon, but I used to work at the nail salon and I hated it. Alright, so I just got my nails done. This is what they look like. They're more of like a natural looking nail. Like basically I want people to look at it and be like, oh my god, like you grew your nails so naturally long. Like, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna stick to my no nail polish, no getting my nails done, because it's a lot of money and I bite them off. But I'm like, how can I elevate it so that I feel like I'm put together, because this is not giving. And I was like, okay, I can just do simple things such as keep up with my nails, which is like a little vial, and I literally have sensory issues. Like I can make the weirdest sound or like different textures and I will actually get shivers throughout my whole body. I don't know if that's normal. My sister said that's normal, but I beg to differ. I'm like, literally at any moment, I'll always be like, oh my god, my nipples hurt. But like not because that, like literally just because I've touched things. Ugh. I want to discipline myself. Now, before you're like, okay, Andrew Tate, no. I'm just inspired to like do better things for myself. This is be the best version of myself. And that sounds so cringe as well. Like I'm already amazing. But I feel like I tell myself like, oh, I'm going to go grocery shopping and I don't do it. I'm gonna eat better and then I don't do it. And I'm like, oh, I'm gonna work out like I really am and then I don't do it. And it's fine, like it's whatever, you know what I mean? Like I'm just living life, you know? But at the same time, there's something about living life and like having control over your life that's so exhilarating about life. And I know you're probably like, what? Because I'm saying these words out my mouth and I don't understand it either. Y'all, I don't think about this until I film a YouTube video. My brain just starts working. Like it's weird. But I'm saying this to myself in the mirror right now because I'm just coming to this realization myself, is I've just been living life on autopilot, and it doesn't bother me because I'm like, okay, whatever. Like I'm just living life in the present moment. But at the same time, why am I on my phone for I don't even know how many hours a day? Like I literally am on my phone for 90% of my day, and it's so bad. Like I catch myself on my phone like just scrolling, and I'm like, how am I on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and everything just because I just scroll on anything now? It's crazy. Just want to be able to take control over my life again, because I feel like, you know, we get bored of life really easily, and we can also fall into the loop of feeling like we're unaccomplished and that we are lazy or we haven't gotten anything done or we're unproductive because we're not succeeding in school or work. But it's like, that's not the only thing that defines you. And like, I think that having those small little rewards that you know yourself and that you know you can trust yourself, like the feeling of knowing that like, oh yeah, I accomplished waking up at this time today. I accomplished working out today. And knowing that you have control over your mind and your body, and whatever you want to get done, you can get done. I really just want to show up for myself this year, because I just always know that I'm my happiness when I'm working on myself. You know what's also crazy is that I feel like there's so many different ways to be insecure that you don't even think about. I literally used to cry in the mirror every single day when I was like a teenager, and every time I looked at my face because I was so insecure. So I've really worked on that, and I feel like I really don't give a fuck about how I look. I do, obviously, but like I'm very content. But I'm just realizing now that yeah, I may be confident in my appearance, but that's not the only thing that you can be confident in. Like I realize that I have a lot of like negative self-talk in my head about like my work. Yeah, like I'm just very insecure about my work, and I realize that because it's so crazy, because I'm very proud of it. Like I feel like I'm really good at it, but at the same time, when I'm by myself and I'm working and I'm doing it, I'm in my head like telling myself this and that, like that's bad, that's not good, like you're not doing this right, you're not doing this right. And I'm just beating myself all the time, but it's just that voice is always in my head that I don't like clock it as, oh, this is bad. It just feels like normal to me. I bought this new moisturizer because I ran out of this one. Like, it's on its last leg right now. You can see, like, if I like something, I like it. Like, I feel like when I was younger, not younger, like literally a couple of years ago, I would switch out like my skincare all the time and like use a bunch of different things, like literally switching my skincare routine up every other week. But now I'm like a ride or die. Like, I have my 5 favorite products and I use them over and over and over and buy a bunch of refills. Like, I'm like, who would have ever thought that I'm that, you know? But I decided to go for something new today, which I bought with my own hard-earned money. And this whipped Olay fragrance-free thing, it's just like such an interesting texture. Maybe it's good. I feel like moisturizer and cleanser are like my 2 essentials. I'm gonna shave my eyebrows. I feel like I forgot everything that I was talking about in this video. I ain't gonna lie. Anyways, point blank period. I want to start working out again. I want to start having hobbies again. Like, I miss being interesting. I miss being cool. Like, I feel so confident when I'm cool, and I just actually remember saying this now. And like, I Get Ready With Me last year, I said like, oh, if you want more confidence, have cool hobbies, like have things that make you, and like that's what you'll have confidence in. And it was like having confidence in something that you can improve and like work on and make you feel good about yourself. Like, that's an amazing thing. Like, having a hobby is really good for you. And I have 0 hobbies. And I'm like, oh my god, no wonder why you've been feeling like crap about yourself, is because all your confidence is in your work. And this could apply to you if like you were in school or whatever. Oh my god, I need to be careful. I'm literally like shaving off my no, I literally just shaved off way too much of my eyebrow because I couldn't see it. I really thought about it and I was like, girl, what do? You literally don't go to the gym anymore. You don't do any forms of art. But like, what do you do, girl? And then I realized, I don't really know what I do. No wonder why I'm on my phone all the time. Like, I don't have anything else that excites me. And I'm like, saying this out loud right now, girl, what are you doing? I got this new Vaseline thing. It's a cocoa shimmer jelly stick, and I just wanted to see because I was like, ooh, imagine having this in your bag at all times and then your collarbones look shiny and like it just looks good, and it's literally just Vaseline. Like, please, this is amazing. Oh my god, everyone needs to go get this right now. I'm like, I need better things to do than go on my phone. Like, I need something to talk about. Like, you're so boring. And it's okay to be boring, but like, not really. Oh my god, not me bleeding. Point blank period, I need to pick up new hobbies because I just don't feel very fulfilled in my everyday life. And it's like, I don't realize it, but it's just kind of like putting me in a meh mood. Like, I'm just so much more negative about things. And I also just like am so much less patient and present in life. Especially with the new year, we set these big goals. And like, we are so fixated on like, oh, in 5 years, when I have this house, this family, this job, that's when I'm gonna be happy. When I graduate, I'm gonna be happy. But then it's just like, you're looking forward to something so far away that it kind of makes you forget about the process of getting there. And that's what life is. It's not like the big goals that you're gonna achieve that's gonna make you feel fulfilled. It's the everyday things that you do, because you're always gonna want more. Like, you're never actually gonna be satisfied. Does that make sense? It's the little things in life, such as, you know, looking forward to listening to music, looking forward to reading a book, to get to school, to see your friends. It just be the things like that that make life so enjoyable, but you don't even notice. And that's what, for me, I don't even know either, but I feel like that is a big part of being fulfilled and happy, because I feel like also when you do that, you're so in the present moment of what's happening right now. And that's actually something that I really try to work towards, is not thinking about the past, not thinking about what's going next. Like, I really think in the moment and don't think too far in the future, which it bites me in the ass when it comes to business things and like planning things and, you know, being proactive before mistakes happen. But some people call that impulsive, but I just call it being present in life. Take it how it is. And right now, I just feel like I've been on autopilot on my phone, and I'm just like, what am I doing? Like, what am I... I'm so pale right now. I'm not used to it. I literally have brown hair. Like, this is my first time really seeing it, not gonna lie. And I'm like, brown hair. And we didn't have to bleach my hair or anything, even though my hair was like originally black. Oh, are you seeing this? This is what hair people do. Oh wow, look at that shine. If y'all live in New York, go to Julie, y'all. She killed it. And my hair's still like alive, you know, but it's just like a little something something. Anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I miss talking to you guys and just no extravagant video, just talking. And I always say this, but I should start a podcast, but I'm never actually gonna do it. That's the thing. I always say it. But anyways, if you guys want to keep up with me, follow my Instagram. I'm gonna try to start posting on there more. I miss posting on Instagram, but not really. Like, when was the last time you were like, ooh, let me post on Instagram? Me? Never. Anyways, see you guys in the next video. Subscribe. Also, we're so close to 3 million subscribers.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long. She putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the